When you install new doors or just change the old handles to the new ones, sometimes you might face some challenges. In this case, the openings for the locks for the handles are not exactly matching the new styles that we have right now. So today I'm going to show you how to install a brand new handle. In this case, to the closet. It's the same with the doors, with the bedroom doors, and the challenges you might face during the installations. Let's go for it. There are multiple hardware on the market. We'll be installing the black hardware. This is just regular hallway closet handle, and it doesn't have any locks. If you install it to the bathroom, or could be master bedroom or bedrooms, you might want to consider installing the same one, but just with a little lock that will lock it from the inside. However, it can be opened from the outside. Okay, so this is how the handle looks. This is the latch, and this is the strike, and there are some screws. Now you have to inspect both the door and the place for the strike. Take this latch, and you know that this part goes towards the frame because it's going to be locking in the strike like that. So you want to install it, push it right there, and right immediately I see there is a problem that the latch, especially this plate, little bit bigger than the opening I have. So for that, you might want to have a couple of chisels with different sizes. You do not want to hit these chisels with the hammer. First try just with your force, because these days the doors are very brittle. They actually are, they made them with the cardboard, and you can split it very easily. To mark the area, I will work it through with my hand. Be careful. Again, you can use technically a hammer, but the more you hit, the more you make this door unstable. You can use power tools as well, but all the power tools, they rotate, so be careful. Okay, that's perfect. Now the handle usually comes with two pieces, and you will notice one piece has, and this is the cheaper one, the more expensive, they cover it, and you might even have a cover plate. This is the cheaper one, so these are the holes for the bolts. This one doesn't have it, so you want to install the one that doesn't have any holes to the visible area. So if you imagine the closet, this will be on the outside and this will be on the inside. Okay, so we have another problem which I want to show you. This hole is smaller. That will prevent it from opening and closing, because when you install this, it's going to be harder. So what you want to do now, you want to remove this latch, take utility knife and just remove this part, and on the other side. These new latches, they're a little bit wider. And the same on the other side. Let's see the other side. Okay. Both handles installed, just try it out. Okay. Not want to screw it very hard. Press the latch and it will start moving very hardly. Now this is the time when you want to screw the plate in. Okay. Have a pen. Just close it. It's not a problem to mark where the latch goes inside the frame. And I see that was a challenge. It does not go well, so it doesn't stay flush with this frame. We don't want to damage anything on this frame. We will make it deeper, we'll make this opening deeper, and here the hole is not enough, so see the marking here? We're gonna remove this piece of wood. Again, don't be afraid of removing. It's not going to be visible. Okay. Do not screw it until the end. Make it loose a little bit. Now let's give it a test. That's perfect. Again. And fix it completely. We're gonna test it out. And you see it actually gets all the way in. So that's the installation you want, because now it's properly closed. Okay, so this is how you install brand new handles on the old doors, on the new doors, in the hallway, in the bedrooms, in the bathrooms, and these are all the steps you might want to consider. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!